Payag ang aktres at dating beauty queen na si Priscilla Meireles na makatrabaho ang nakahiwalay na asawang si John Estrada, pero may kondisyon. Sa panayam ng media kay Priscilla after niyang pumirma ng kontrata bilang pinakabagong talent ng Viva Artists Agency, VAA, ay sinagot niya ang ilang personal questions kabilang na ang estado ng relasyon nila ni John. Ayon sa aktres at model, ito na raw ang tamang panahon para karirin ang kanyang pagiging artist, at una na nga riyan ang pagpirma ng contract management sa Viva Entertainment. Now is the perfect time. Now is the perfect time. I believe in God's perfect time. I am not only prepared emotionally, but physically, emotionally, and in terms of language, magaling na ako. Confident ako, chika ni Priscilla. Hindi rin daw siya nagpaalam kay John tungkol sa kanyang career move. I did not consult but I did inform. Not because it is a career move, but because I brought my daughter with me. Boss Vic Del Rosario mentioned he'd love to meet her. I thought it was a good opportunity for her to join me. I did not consult or ask for permission. Pero siniguro naman ng Miss Earth title holder na civil sila ni John sa isa't isa bilang co-parent sa kanilang anak. Nag-start na rin daw siyang asikasuhin ang mga dapat ayusin sa paghihiwalay nila ni John. Say pa niya, there is no bad blood between us. When it comes to what he is doing with his life and what I am doing with my life, there are boundaries placed. I respect that because I am the one who placed it. At sa tanong nga kung payag siyang makatrabaho on screen si John, why not gusto ko yung sampilan ko siya. Who dare you? Ganuan. I am in a place, there is still a lot of hurt but I choose to be happy. It is a choice. As long as not kissing scene, I am okay. Balik ako sa nightmare ko. Kapatid tayo, dagdag ng aktres. Saad pa ni Priscilla, yung galit ko sa kanya dating-dati pa. Kasi sa totoo, nag-burst sa social media. But I don't think it has been a secret to anyone that John has always been the way he is. When things exploded, decisions were already made. I did not want to stay in a situation I was unhappy. 2 years ago, at peace na ako. Being isang nanay, babae, I wanted to teach my daughter right. I did not want to normalize what is wrong in society. Especially a society that men can do as they please, society accepts. Women just need to be quiet because men pay the bills, say pa niya. Umaasa rin daw siya na maging aral at inspirasyon sa iba pang kababaihan ang kanyang pinagdaanan. I do not want to be one of the women that say it is okay because it is not. I kind of started or ignited other women who were also being treated unfairly to advocate for themselves. I hope society will become more aware. It is not accepted to treat family as basura. Sorry to say, family is the most important pillar in society. When you treat it like it does not matter, not giving them importance or respect, society will collapse, say pa ng aktres. Pahabol pa niya, I prepared myself as much as I could, and I walked away. And I did it after so many years, which is harder. Being a nanay, babae, we deserve that respect. I'm happy it came at a time I was emotionally ready and financially prepared. I am aware that is not the case. But I grew up with my mom who walked out from our home with me and my bro without even money for the bus, pagbabahagi pa ni Priscilla.